Ew, man.
So a lot of people get afraid of cooking with rice, but you can follow a really simple rule, which is for every 1 part rice you have, you need 2 parts water. It's as simple as that.
Why you measure water with cup? Just use finger. You put rice, put water until finger. First join the finger. That's how you measure the water, not with British teacup. Hiya. First step all wrong already. I am not confident this video is gonna be good.
Enough rice for around 2 people. So now the rice is on.
Wait, so you don't wash the rice? How you don't wash the rice? Just cook the rice, not the rice stinky like you. Where you learn how to make rice?
Hey, rice. We are looking good.
The rice not looking good, you lying to people. So wet.
Drain it.
Drain. What's she doing? What's she doing? Drain the. Oh my god! You killing me, woman! Hiya, drain the.
The rice.
She draining rice with colander. Hi. How can you drain rice with colander? This is not pasta. I never seen anyone drain rice. If your rice too wet, you fucked up. Don't bring colander into your rice cooking. Hiya. Get a nice rice cooker. Don't mess with saucepan like this lady here. Don't mess with colander. If your rice too wet, you recook the rice. No way to save wet rice.
Has quite a lot of starch in it, which will make
What the hell? What the hell? Uncle Roger is so upset. I put my leg down from chair. Why are you running water through You're ruining the rice. First you use colander to dry the rice and then you put water. Then why bother drying the rice? Who cook rice like this? How did this woman get on BBC Food?
Wow, that looks so good. beautiful.
Tutunog ang gitara sa akin, makinig ka sana. Dumuha ka sa bintana na parang isang harana sa awit na aking sinulat ko kagabi. Huwag sana magmadali at huwag kang magatubili dahil kahit na wala akong pera, kahit na butas aking bulsa, kahit na...
Wow, that looks so good. Wow, that looks so